Everything's still covered with ice. Hey everybody, Dean here for NSB Custom Cars. This weekend's come and gone and I didn't get nothing done on this old car. I was hoping to finish up on a few things on it and drive it, but we had a storm came up in Tennessee, my other house. So it was a winter storm and had a lot of ice come down and took out a bunch of trees. So lost power. So Tuesday after work, I drove on up all night, got there, took and powered up the house. You know, I carry the welding machine on the back of my truck, so that pretty much powered that house and kept it going for the next 3 days because we lost electric 3 different times. They'd fix it, an hour later it'd go back out because another tree had fallen and break. While I was there, I did take a few little videos. It was on my phone, so I don't know how good the quality is on it. It is some pretty pictures as far as all the ice and stuff, but it's a mess. So check these out, and at least I'll give you something for this weekend, or for this week on this video. So check it out and see what you think. Back in Tennessee, everything covered with ice. Just lost power for the 3rd time. These old trees, they're suffering. A lot of ice. Man, the pine tree broke off, pulled plumb out of the ground. Here comes the cold donkey. How you doing, buddy? Catch some food back there. Every one of them pine trees catching hail. It's a winter wonderland. Barely went underneath that tree. Ice on everything. Less than a couple hours and it's really coming down. Got my truck covered. So that's pretty much all we got for this video. I am going to get this thermostat put in tonight, I hope. Get the water back in. I'm going to try to charge this AC up. I'm going to go to the parts house and get all that. Just ain't got time to get this on this video. All I like is getting the bumper back there put back on after that. The 2 seats I still got to put in. And we got a set of air shocks. Because the air shocks back here, they're dry rotted. They're probably not going to hold air very good. So we got some new shocks coming for it. Should be here hopefully Monday, Tuesday. But that's easy change out. There won't be nothing big on that. But don't forget to like us, subscribe, and until next weekend, we'll see you.